Friends, I'm Sean. This is the Fix Mom channel. Today I want to show you how you can frame on your patio window. So I bought this piece of wood. I'm gonna make the frame by myself, so it's much cheaper than the frame outside. I just measure from my baseboard to the top here and just install that one. I put one screw here. I didn't use the level because you don't know how's the door. I installed the door, but I like it to go by the eyes. So as you see this line here, so I just put that frame until the cover that line. I just put this piece. I bought it separate in Home Depot. To cover this area. I have a gap here, so I'm gonna cut the same piece, cut it, measure it and cut it, and just put it here. So I put the wood here and I made the mark above the top, as you see. So I'm gonna cut this and I install here. I put the silicone and the other product I will show you. They call liquid nail. Liquid nail. I put that one on. So it's all the way from bottom to the top. And here you see I put that piece and install that with the liquid nail and all the way around. So I hope you like the video and you can do the trim by yourself. Anyway, I'm gonna install that one too. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.